Good morning, sleepyhead.
I almost did it like you, Mom.
Almost, dear. Just a little more balance next time.
It smells like sunshine, Mom.
That's what a fresh morning feels like.
Oh, Mino. I didn't mean to. It just slipped. That's why we move carefully, my dear.
All set, little helper?
Yes, Mom. Let's go help Mr. Sheep.
Stay close, Mino.
Really? I'll help him shear the wool today.
That's where Mr. Sheep is waiting.
Well, if it isn't Mimi and young Mino,
Hi, Mr. Sheep.
we came to help today.
A fun...
These shears help trim the wool gently.
Wow, it's like cutting clouds.
Would you like to try, little one?
Steady, slow, and gentle.
I did it!
Well done, lad.
Perfect first cut, my dear.
Each tuft must stay smooth and dry.
It's like a flying cloud.
That's the wind saying thank you. Nothing like a good meal after work.
It's not work when I shared with friends.
A perfect breeze.
A fine time for a nap.
Even the grass is singing.
Morning again?
No, sweetheart, it's still today.
Time to finish the day's work.
Let's bring them in before sunset.
Come on, sheepies. This way.
Come along, Luna. See? It's easy when we walk together. Fine teamwork, both of you. A good fix should hold through winter.
Here, Mom.
Perfect. Thank you, sweetheart.
We've got another helper on our hooves.
We're a real team. We did a lot today.
Yes, my little helper. You made the day brighter.
Looks like they're still dancing.
They're saying thank you for another good day.
What a fine day it was.
Mom, today was the best day.
And tomorrow will be another beautiful one.
Good morning, world.
Is it morning already?
Yes, little one, a brand new day. Early start today.
Morning, Mom. Can I help?
Of course.
Now that's a sound I love to start my day with.
Every sunrise, every sunset, it's all a blessing. And the farm keeps turning for you.
Mom, is that from yesterday?
Yes, it's our memory of a perfect day.
Every day here feels perfect.
All done, Mom.
Good job, my helper.
Already working hard this early?
I got this, Mom.
You two make quite the team.
Team Sunny Farm.
It's good to just stop and listen sometimes.
I'm dreaming pancakes. It's the sound of another good day ending.
We did great today, didn't we, Mom?
Yes, my love.
The farm feels happy.
Good work, everyone.
I'm sleepy, Mom.
Almost home, sweetheart.
The stars are watching over the farm tonight.
Morning already?
Yes, little one. The day is waiting for us.
Good morning, little ladies. Oops. Almost perfect, my helper.
You've grown strong, little mamaCat. Eat slowly, Mino.
But it's too good, Mom.
That's teamwork if I ever saw it.
And to the best helpers.
To the best lunch ever.
Because we care for them every day.
Gentle, dear, like you're petting Luna's head.
See? Like this.
Almost home, my loves.
Look, Mom, the windmill looks like it's spinning faster. We're home.
Look, Mom. The whole sky looks like fire.
That's the sun saying goodnight.
Mom, can I light one too? Of course. Just be gentle.
Pretty light.
Dinner's ready. It smells amazing.
Can I have more stew, please?
Of course, dear. No one makes stew.
Are you warm enough, sweetheart?
Thank you, Mom.
Dream of sunshine and fields. Sleep well, everyone.
Good morning, world.
The sky looks brand new.
It is every day. Breakfast's ready.
I call first pancake.
You called it last time too.
No rush. Everyone will have plenty.
I got it, Mom.
Careful, sweetheart.
You made a puddle. It's irrigation.
One way to grow grass fast.
We're delivering hay to the sheep meadow.
Captain Mino, keep your balance.
And don't forget the flowers. Here, everyone, let cool down before the next round of chores.
Mom, I think I'll live here forever. I am.
Keep the beat, Mino.
Each one will grow if we give it care.
Oops.
It's okay. Farming takes practice.
My hat.
Careful.
Catch it. It's flying to the moon.
Or maybe it's starting its own adventure. Almost had it.
It was right here.
Don't worry, we'll find it.
I think I heard it tinkle.
Follow the sound.
Got it.
Now, no.
It's moving. The wind woke it up.
It feels like it's dancing with the sky.
Who's ready for one last story before dinner?
Me.
Tell the one about the dancing chores.
Do you think fireflies get jealous of lanterns? Maybe they're just glad to have company.
They're like stars we can touch.
Careful, little one. Stars don't like to be caught.
It looks like it's dancing.
The moon's been dancing for us since we were born.
It feels warmer.
Good night, my little helpers.
Tomorrow, more stories.
Thank you for keeping watch.
Always. Mom, it's like daytime, but made of stars.
That's because every kind heart leaves a little light behind.
Is it really morning already?
It doesn't wait for sleepyheads, Luna. Everything's better with a little sweetness.
Look, no spills.
Let him try, that's how we learn. I can do it myself.
Look, I found the tallest one.
We'll fill the barn before noon at this pace.
Look, Mom, they're racing us.
Then we better not let them win.
Bow down, dear.
But it tastes like sunshine.
Everything does when shared with family. A perfect tie.
I'll win this time.
You've got endless energy, little one. Not if my bell rings first.
Don't splash too close to the bank.
Catch me if you can. Let them be. They're watering the grass for me.
That's the point.
Hold still, sweetheart.
It tickles.
That's the price of staying too close to the river.
That cloud looks like a giant pie.
Check if it's right first, dear.
This one's the biggest apple ever. Achoo!
That's how the day says goodnight. I can see the windmill. It's spinning so they'll guide us. Maybe there are tiny stars coming closer.
Home, it smells like dinner and gently set down.
A good day's weight well carried. Eat, my loves. The day has earned it.
It tastes like sunshine and honey.
Sleep, my darlings.
Can the sheep themselves tonight? All asleep.
Even the stars seem tired
is sleeping.
And dreaming too, perhaps.
Dreams keep it alive.
It feels like the stars are listening.
They always have.
It's like the sky fell into the earth.
And both are shining.
Peace makes for heavy eyelids
They've never slept so soundly.
and lighter hearts.
Even the light needs rest.
It burns so we can dream.
Then let it dream too.
Good morning, little world. The sun's on time again.
It always does.
Did it wait for us?
Then let's race it to breakfast.
Fresh day, fresh work.
And fresh chances to do it better.
Oops, almost perfect.
They say thank you.
Still warm from the oven.
Best smell in the world.
And extra manners needed. And the sweetest taste. We'll fill the table twice today.
And eat half of it by supper.
The carrots get extra.
Summer's best song, the sound of doing nothing.
And the taste of lemon and rest.
Mine sounds like music.
The sun's still with us, let's give it something worth watching.
I've got 3, maybe 4.
A fine show of fur and
Let them win. They've earned the win.
home again, where the heart works best.
And where rest earns its keep.
We beat the sun home.
Every day leaves its little mess.
The best way to begin again.
And so, the little firefly found its glow again.
Then
They always do when hearts are full.
The stars are listening too.
Thank you for keeping them safe. Always together.
Always safe, always home.
Safe and sound under moon and straw. Dream more. How many songs can a sky hold?
As many hearts as listen.
Then tonight the world holds its breath. They'll wake to gold again. Only to dream deep. The light found us again. Maybe both.
good morning, world.
Morning's never late.
Look, fresh bread for breakfast and sunshine for the table. Drink up, little one.
Because it's fresh from the morning.
Messy fun, I see.
The fields never tire of growing. Because hearts like ours keep them company. The sun's kind today. Every day ends with light. Then may tomorrow be just as bright.